this video is about to find the middle, original middle place for the socks. Like you see, these socks has two sides logo, right? Two sides logo, and this is front. So we must make sure the heel part is on this line. We have marked heel, so every time, not every time, just the first time you set up machine to print a design and find out which is the back side middle line, and set a place, set a mark, and every sock you can load the same way. This is middle, okay. This is the heel part. Printing. See size logo always on the socks two sides. This is heel. This is front.